my God! Mom! Mom! Oh my God! Oh my God, I'm rich! Oh my God! You Lord! Oh my God!
Okay, we are here at Bitcoin 50-minute chart and let's go and trade. Okay, let's search the indicator called Ginsalgo Itsu Alpha. Okay, here it is. And now we are going to wait to the signals of Ginsalgo Itsu Alpha. Okay. Okay, Ginsalgo Itsu Alpha told us to buy. And now we're going to put at least 1,000 bucks. And let's see what profit we get or what we